Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we're going to Kadori Farm. See you there guys. Kita kits. Oh. Tapos na. Then, papunta doon. Tapos, sakay tayo 64K. 64A. K. Ay, dapat dito mo. Yeah. Here, this one. Then, papunta doon. 64K bus yan, guys. Asan yan? Hayaan nyo na ako. So ayan, yan?
Opo, yan po.
Yan sila kasama ko guys. 64K. Then kulat rami sa bus ng Mularga. 64K. Honest lang po guys. Yan. So yan, 64,000. Go.
Oo, pwede yan. Kung ano man yan.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, go.
Lagi kong nakikita baka makaano nga din yan. Ayun yung dalawa.
Ayan. Dito na kami guys. So, yun. Okay guys. So, ayan. Entrance guys. 50 it's asan dito? Sige, papasok na kami. Bayad muna kami ng entrance. Bayad sa entrance guys.
Have time limit or 10 whole day?
This is whole day?
Whole day?
Whole day, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
This before 5.
Also,
Okay,
thank you. You can finish before 5.
So, we go inside. Tapos na kami nagbayad. Asan? Papunta doon? This is the map.
May pabalyon. Oh, wow!
Yan yung trail.
Meron pang Buddha, be.
What does it mean? $10 per ship. Ano yan? Bibilin ang...
Ay, ano siya?
What is that?
Pwede kang makabili ng ng something na remembrance.
Oo.
Like this.
$40 each.
Bulbul, ano grabe yung bulbul yan, oy. Dati siya palagay sa...
So guys, mag-start nami mag-hiking sa Kadori Farm. This is the starting point.
Sabi nga nung yung isa, sabi nga, alam mo, pag nagpupunta ka ng bundok, ang ganda na eh. Maglagay ka ng glass. Uriya buyat, tabi apo. My forever.
Why for... Alaala na iniwan mo. Ay! Nakangiti din. This is the owner of Kadori. Look, Sir Horace Kadori. So it means Kadori is apelyido. And he is the one. 28 September 1902 and 1995. Wow, ang haba ng ano niya. Ang haba ng life, be. From September 1902 to April 1995. How much is that?
Wait. 1902.
Sir, hi sir. Ang taas man dahil sa mong kinabuhi, sir. Uy.
1995.
So, magsimula na guys. So, here. Dito kami unang papasok. Punta na ba tayo? Then, Eco Garden. So, let's start with Eco Garden. Here. Pasok kami. There's a lot of herbs. Wow! Can we pick it up? So, kamatis na gamay. Then, yeah, we go there. Okay, so, here's Jacob Wildfire. Oh my goodness. Ano to? Yan lang. Ano to? Anong nandito? Anong meron?
Ay, okay. Yep.
Baka ahas. Baka wala na.
Ano pa sa loob ng bahay?
Baka na. YouTube eh. Go up.
We can go inside. What is inside?
Okay. Sunshine Hall. Eco Garden. We go there. Art House. We go to Art House. Art House.
May lilipan daw.
Lily Pond. Oh. Yan, Lily Pond. Guys, here. So guys, kamulo pa din ni siya gi-construct. So, asan ni padulong? Sa pavilion? Pavilion?
Saan kaya nakita natin picture na ano yung haba?
Ay, may mga taong ganda sana maglakad dyan, oh.
Mamaya, marami tayo.
Maganda, oh.
Maganda pa Wag. Ito yung stairs.
Uy, ang ganda. Hindi ba kayo mag-video? Wala kayong plano?
Mamaya kumain mo tayo.
Oh.
Makita lang tayo ng spot na maganda. Tapos yun, puntahan na natin mamaya.
Balikan na natin.
Oo. Maganda nga. Oh, tignan nyo.
Wow.
Bird.
Hindi, dapat may mesa tayo doon.
Dito yun, babe. Pag tinuruan. Hello, parrot.
Behind the scene, kala ko sa cellphone niya.
Hindi. Cellphone ba niya?
Pero kumuha ka sa sa cellphone.
Music house. Pasok. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Musik na yung manuklaw dali. Baka may ahas dyan, be.
Ganito ka, lalaki sila?
Hindi. Oh, meron siguro talagang ganito. Baka totoo sila. Ay, hindi.
Ay, oo, ginawa niya.
Ginawa lang yata. Kahoy yata. Sin, guys. Ay, Diyos ko. Ang kakatakot.
There are lots of what kind of insect? Okay. Here, come on, check on the. What's the name? Here, the giant. Okay. Okay, you can write here. It's okay. Yeah, I forgot to put the tape here. This one and this one. Yeah. Okay, turn it down. It's a.
Baklay, guys, after lunch, so start baklay na sa baklay, walking, lakad, something like that. Ay, Diyos ko.
Ito ba yung nakikita natin sa picture? Hindi.
Yan.
Treasure hunt pala to.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
Shoot.
Saan na gara? Yung sa Bangkok, gusto mo bang kami? Hindi ka
Taas na. Nag-vlog pa din. Vlog pa din kahit ulan na ulan. Oh my God. Be, basurahan na yan yata. Be, oh. Basurahan ba yan? So. Huy! Guys,
Kung pinuntahan natin yung ulan, yun, maganda.
basa kay ko.
Oh, we're so basa, guys! Wala na sa mood mo. Leader of the band. Leader of the band.
Basok ko.
Bago lang ako pumunta eh. Wala.
Uy, may nakita akong ano, yung post na dito din sa Hong Kong. Yung ano ba yun? Hindi ko yata na-save. Yung ang daming monkey na nakakalat dyan lang sa daan.
Doon din sa
Ano yun?
Sa
Ang ganda. Oh, parang yun.
Simon, marami na doon.
Ang ganda, be.
Nagbibit-bit-bit doon.
Oo, hindi lang daw. Tapos lakad ng diretso lang daw. Oh, para hindi ka.
Papansin ka sa kanila.
Oo.
Dito yan, reptile.
Reptile house.
Papasok ka dyan?
So, reptile house. Papasok kami.
Oh, balat ng
Oh my God, baka may manok lang. So, wala namang bitin. Tanit lang. Balat niya lang, guys. Ayan, oh. May ano. Ay, hanulukay. Raman lang ano dito. Bitin. Oh my God.
Mahaba na ganyan.
Oh, stream live display. 9:30. Look, stream live display. Pasok. Isda lang naman, maningit. Oh, look at that. Dito, be. Ito yata.
Ito si Awan. Asan si Awan? Gusto ko Ayun, oh.
Where?
Meron isa, oh. Ano ba yun?
Ay.
Parang
Dito siya.
Milo. Maral.
Hindi, ano yun?
Maral, bi. Itong parang iring.
Oo nga, parang spiral ganun.
Yung malaki.
Niya. Look.
What is that? Asa na ba yun? Hindi
Ayun
ko-
na, dito ka. Para
Ayun. Basta maral. Ano na siya. Oo. So guys, thank you for watching. That's all for this video. Bye!